Okay, what I'm going to do is just give you the disclosure on what's in the box. I have been picking up some old school MTX Thunder amplifiers, were originally made in USA, and I found out that Craig from Old School Car Audio over in Perth, Australia, had a 2300 and a 4160 in his inventory, and we struck a deal, and I ordered them up with some other goodies, and the box came in from Australia. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. This is the first time to ever get amplifiers from Australia. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed. Craig did a pretty good job on taping this up, so this thing is taped for war. My God, look at that. We all know that shipping companies can be brutal on packages, so this is welcome to see this kind of packing job. Kudos to Craig for his packing skills. Let's find where this box has a split. Cut through this packing tape. See what we got in here. Packing material. Good times. All right. And ooh-ha. Oh, there we go. Okay. Thunder 4160. Okay. This is a 4-channel Class AB. If you guys have not seen it before, it says on the back, rated at 20 watts per channel into 4 ohms, 0.1% THD, 40 watts per channel times 4 into 2 ohms, 80 watts bridged RMS times 2 into 4 ohms, and 200 watts dynamic power bridged into 2 4-ohm loads. And that's rated at 12.5 volts DC, made in the USA. Okay, so not a killer on the power output, but these amps sound brutally good. And I don't know if you have ever heard of the RockFord Punch 150, old school RockFord Punch 150. The designer John Pleist, when he left RockFord to go to MTX, designed these amplifiers. So technically, there we go, this one needs service, but this amplifier, if you notice the uncanny heatsink design, is the follow-up or successor to the Punch 150 HD. So after he left, these amplifiers were born at MTX. It's kind of the continuation of the original RockFord circuit design that he came up with. And they sound great. It's unregulated power supply, which means the higher the voltage, the more output power they'll put to your speakers. So 2300, myself, the most I got out of one of these was just under 1400 watts. So 1387 on the dyno, that would be DB Drag Racing and also Mecha. I clamped it, and I was able to get one of these amplifiers just under 1400 watts in the lanes. And this one says February 15th, 1999, went in for service somewhere in Michigan, and then somehow it ended up in Australia. And I'll be rebuilding these amplifiers, recapping them and getting them together. I have 3 of them in my truck right now, and I have 3 more, plus this makes 7. The goal is to get at least 8, and then run 1 per voice coil on the 18-inch woofers. So let's see what else we got in here. Oh, check it out. Oh my gosh. He sent me the IASCA setup and test disc from Australia. That is awesome. Actually, that's something that you don't see every day. I'll be taking pictures of this in a separate post, probably on the Instagram page. IASCA Australia test disc. And, oh, love it. Old school car audio stickers from Australia. So, highly recommend. Craig does a really good job packing these amplifiers up. I know some people who bought US amps from Craig. He has a good collection of Orion amplifiers that are for sale. Everything is really nice. So shout out to Craig. And oh my gosh, if you want to support his channel, make sure you get yourself an old school car audio t-shirt. So there you go. Yes, I have my own channel. Yes, he has his channel, but I support everybody else's channels as well. I like to support my fellow audiophiles. We are a niche industry, and we got to stick together. So, dude, check that out. Image Dynamics. Who remembers Image Dynamics compression horns for underneath your dash? That's some old school right there for you. All right, so if you didn't remember, old school car audio. Perf Australia, he ships worldwide. Good stuff. There you go. Can freeze the frame. There it is. Okay. This has been a great unboxing. 2 more Thunder amplifiers for the stable. Eat, sleep, bass, repeat. Stay tuned into the channel for lots of show coverage and debuts of new products.